up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming at you with another makeup tutorial. Well, I wanted to do another makeup video because I had so much fun filming my last one, but I am realizing that the summer is sliding out of my hands now. It's almost August. It will be in August in 2 days actually. Abel's birthday is on August 1st too, so a lot of things are going on. Life is moving fast, but I'm trying to make this video. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, keep watching. Okay, I've been hassling with lighting for so long and I'm just gonna get into this video because this is too real a struggle for me to deal with right now. My skin has been getting a lot better lately though, especially since my last makeup tutorial, which was like last Thursday. So today I went shopping and I got a bunch of new makeup, but everything is cruelty-free, which is dope because I have been wanting to go cruelty-free for a while and I've been using like Nars and Benefit, and they are not cruelty-free, and I'm on the hunt for other loves. I can't deal with the idea of bunny suffering for my face. No. Okay, anyways. I've literally had this headband for so long, and I literally put it in the washer and dryer, and it fits me better every time. Is that weird? Hey. Today I got this all-nighter liquid foundation and it says it's full coverage, long wear, matte finish, waterproof, and oil-free. So, this isn't like new or anything, so some of you might already know what this is all about, or some of you might have never tried it, but I got the shade 3.0 and this is like the scary part where I figure out if it is the right shade. Wait, actually first you guys, what am I doing? First, I'm actually going to be using this beauty oil that I got from Better Skin Co. And this is the same company that makes the No More oil that I use. Yeah, like that's how fast that stuff works for me. Last Thursday, I uploaded a makeup tutorial and this was so huge and red. A couple days later, it's like pretty much gone. It's supposed to like prevent wrinkles. I feel like it just really brightens out my skin. It smells so good. It smells like lemon and ginger. I'm like trying my best not to look at the viewfinder because every time I edit I'm just like, no, don't do it, Hannah. She does it. Alright, I'm just gonna like put some of this right here. I don't know how it's gonna play out. Come on. Oh my god, it just looks so light on my hand. Wait. Maybe it will work out. I feel like this might work out. Is it working out? I feel like that actually is a match. It feels pretty nice. Yeah, I think it definitely is one of those that like oxidizes a little bit like over time. Because at first it looked so light. And then I'm going to try Tarte Creaseless Concealer. Now I'm used to the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This could also very well be too light for me. Ooh, I feel like this is really nice coverage. Well, I think my skin looks pretty freaking amazing right now. I'm into it. I'm gonna set it with my Derma Blend translucent powder. Okay, honestly, it does seem a little cakier, like up close, but like it's full coverage, so. Okay, so for eyebrows, I'm going to use this Carroty brow pencil. And this is in the shade Blonde Bombshell. Oh wait, there's powder too. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's like one of those. So right here it's like a brow stick, and then there's powder here, and there's a brush here. Okay, cool. I don't know if I'm gonna mess with the powder. That seems kind of scary. But I'm gonna take the stick part of it and I'm gonna just Like it's like orangey brown. Like a little too orangey, I think. Or maybe not. I don't know. I just gotta do the other one and it won't look so strange. And now I'm gonna take my bangs down, and I don't have clear gel that's not from Benefit, so I'm just gonna skip that part because we don't use Benefit here anymore. So I'm gonna show you guys something that I'm really excited about. I got this in the mail from Cruelty-Free and I almost screamed because look at this 21 highly pigmented matte eyeshadows. So hopefully it's as highly pigmented as it sounds, but I guess we're gonna find out. This color right here is calling out to me. Oh damn, guys, I looked it up and this is only $29. That's beautiful. It looks exactly what it looks like it would look like too. It ain't clickbaiting me. Yeah, I'm gonna take a Lexi, and that's this one right here, the purple. She looks fun. Ooh. I'm being so impressed right now by this palette. But okay, I'm gonna go back with that orangey color that I first used. So I think it kind of got washed out. Oh, this is inspiring me so much. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take Fane right here. And I'm gonna take this little tiny brush. First I'm gonna try it dry and see what happens, but I'm gonna put that on my lid. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna spray it now. So that is amazing looking, and now I'm gonna take Wicked right here, Scream, and I'm just gonna take a little baby flat brush like this, and I'm gonna spray it. I also ended up putting that green on the bottom lash line. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara, and for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Perversion. And it's raining outside. I'm gonna be using my Kat Von D Shade Plus Light Contour Palette, and this is a powder one. I'm gonna go back with the Derma Blend powder. Now I'm gonna be using the Tarte Blush Sensual. I'm gonna be using this beautiful Smashbox Petal Metal Highlighter. Okay, what? Look at that. I'm gonna be using this big ass fan brush that I never use. Now I'm gonna spray my fan brush and then go back in for that. And I'm using my Ophir one. I'm gonna be taking this white one. So my camera battery just died, so I just charged it for like 30 minutes, but while I was off camera, I added a thin line of my Kat Von D Tattoo black eyeliner. Guys, now it's gonna get really good. I'm about to put on these beautiful lashes from Black Magic, and these are the Luxe Faux Mink Cosmic Kitten. So I'm gonna try something. I'm going to use this Milk Makeup Eye Vinyl, and this is for your eyes, but I'm just gonna... I'm gonna go back to that brush with the blue on it. I'm gonna go to the brush with the green. Okay, I just had a lot of fun doing that. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't go anywhere in this. This is such a fun look though. For the alternative lip color, for if I were going somewhere, you know, this could be like a total party look. I'm gonna be using this Stark Naked lip shade by Urban Decay. This has been my favorite lipstick lately, like my go-to. That is the final look, y'all. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you saw something that you might have liked. I'm definitely excited about the things that I just tried out. I love the foundation and I loved the eye palette. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to do more makeup looks. I'm running a little late for this video, so it might be Tuesday when you're watching this. Regardless, I hope that you have an amazing week, and I hope that you return back to my channel for my upcoming videos. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, so feel free to leave a recommendation in the comments for what you'd like to see. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye!